How to connect Calendly to your Google Calendar. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can connect your Calendly to your Google Calendar. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, search for Calendly, then open up its website. You can directly head over to calendly.com as well and then log in into your account. After you log in, here you will need to head over to integrations and apps. Tap on integration and apps. Scroll down a bit and there you should find Google Calendar. Tap on it. After you tap on it, here you can see an option that says Connect Google Calendar. Tap on Connect and now you will be able to choose your account. Choose the account that you want to connect your calendar with, then tap on Continue. And again, if you want to edit, see and share your calendar's access, you can simply press on that as well, then tap on Continue. After you do that, you'll have connected your Google Calendar to your Calendly. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.